Hey everybody, Pete Greco with Productive Corporation. I'm going to give you a quick look on how to set up an automated recovery using Arcserve UDP. Let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create a new file on the source server. And I'm just going to create a text document here, and we'll call it new data. And then let's go ahead and open this up, and we'll plug in today's date and time. So we have a reference point for this exercise. It's August 26th, 2019. And we'll put in the time just so we can benchmark how long this actually takes to complete. All right, let's save that. Okay, looks good. Okay, now let's hop into our UDP console here, and we're going to go ahead and get a clean backup job. So we've selected the machine, and we're going to go ahead and select backup now. Click OK, and we'll give this a second to fire up. Now this is an incremental backup, so it's going to be relatively quick. The steps here is it's going to back up the machine, and then it's going to convert that machine into an offline virtual machine that we'll have for quick recovery in case of a full outage. Now we can always navigate into the backup and recover individual files or folders or whatnot, but for this example we're going to simulate a full outage. Okay, well that's finishing up. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we set this up. We'll go into the plan that I created for this test lab here. I'll let this load up. You can see I've got my machine in here. I've already created the virtual standby task. And we'll hop over to the virtual machine, or I'm sorry, the advanced setting here, and let that load. And you can see I set automatically start the virtual machine to yes. I can change the heartbeat properties to make this more or less sensitive to detecting the machine. And then we're good to go. I didn't make any changes, so no need to save that. Okay, let's go back and check the status of our backup. Looks like we're basically at the end. This should wrap up here. Oh, it looks like it's already wrapped up, so we're good to go. Let's complete the test. Okay, we've got our full backup. Here's our production machine. We're going to go ahead and shut this down to simulate the loss of the system here. And this is going to start powering down. Now, at some point, once this loses network connectivity, the timer is going to start on our heartbeat. All right, the machine is totally off. Let's just move this window out of the way. And now we're going to be looking for our instant VM Smoky, which is the recovery machine for the production machine Smoky, to fire up. So let's see what happens. All right, there it goes. The machine is started, so we'll let this thing boot up, and then we'll log in and take a look. Okay, for the sake of your time, we're going to run this at 10 times the speed and time-lapse this to get through the startup phase. All right, we're in. Here we have our new data folder. In our replica machine, you can see the timestamp. Check out the timestamp on the computer. Took us about 10 minutes from start to finish. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Arcserve UDP, please reach out to your Productive Corp account exec or email us at help@productivecorp.com. Thanks.